have Pocket Perfumes. So Pocket Perfume has been kind enough to send me some perfumes to try. So I'm going to open them and then obviously just review. So these are perfumes that are inspired by your everyday perfumes and they are pocket sized. Like, hello. So we're going to start off with the pink packet and I'm going to open it up and see which perfumes we got. And then obviously I can give you guys more details on their websites and what types of perfumes they sell. But yeah, let's open this one and see. So they wrote me a really cute note. It just says, "Hello Kaylene, cheers to smelling good day or night. Thank you for choosing Pocket Perfume. Be unapologetically and unforgettably you with these luxury fragrances. Love Pocket Perfume." Guys, that is so cute. That's very cute. Let us open the perfumes and then I'll obviously review the smells for you. So in this packet I have two 35ml and then a 15ml. And that's so cute, they match my nails. That's really cute. Okay, so I'm going to see which ones these are and then I'm going to give you guys a bit of an idea of what they smell like. So this one is supposed to be Elizabeth Arden White Tea and this is code 79. So it works based off of codes. So if you just literally put this code into their website, then you'll be able to obviously search it. So let's smell this one. Oh my word, guys, this is so nice. Oh my word. I've actually never smelled this before, but this smells, oh my word, that smells so good. So this is a 35ml and this one is code 27, so 27. And this one is Victoria's Secret. So I'm gonna smell this. I'm hoping it smells nice. So these two I don't actually know. So the previous one and this one, I've never smelled it before. But let's just see. Guys, it smells so good. This literally smells like different types of candies mixed with like like roses, mixed with like it's very sweet and floral and like candy, like I don't know. It's just so good. Okay, this is the best one so far. Oh my word. Oh, this is so nice, guys. Please, you have to buy these. These are so good. Okay, that smells really nice. Okay, yeah, so this is like a candy scent. I don't know, like a sweet, a very, very sweet scent. So if you like sweet things like me, this is your go-to, and this is Victoria's Secret, 27, number 27. So next we have J'adore, which is code 24, as you can see it's at the bottom. So I've had J'adore before, and I'm gonna tell you if this smells the same. This smells exactly like it. Oh my word. It literally smells the exact same. I'm like not even joking. Oh my word. That smells so good. Oh my gosh, you have to buy it. These are amazing.